So you run Laravel new and you have to pick a database. What do you pick? For me, I've been defaulting to SQLite for every new project. And then if I get to a certain level and I need something more or something a little bit more powerful, I'll switch to, Postgres or MySQL or something like that. But I feel like I'm not alone in that. And I feel like everybody's sort of defaulting to SQLite for their new projects. And that does come with some benefits, but also some kind of tricky situations. And today I want to talk about this new package called Tyro Checkpoint, and it's version control for your SQLite database. As I scroll down, the problem, this is what this package aims to fix. So it says, during Laravel development, you constantly test features, experiment with data changes, and debug database-related issues. Every time something breaks or you need to switch context, you're faced with the same tedious cycle: dropping and recreating the database, rerunning migrations, reseeding data, often the most time-consuming part. And that's what this package aims to fix, or to speed up, or to improve, however you want to look at it. So this gives you instant snapshots, and just through a PHP artisan command. If I swap over to the documentation, you can see the commands here. It's just Tyro Checkpoint create. You can do it in a secure state. You can do initial state, listing the checkpoints, restoring checkpoints, add notes, and of course delete and flush. And you definitely want to, if you do start using this, you do want to, use the flush command, because SQLite databases are stored on disk and they can fill up your entire computer if you start making a bunch of these. But the other thing is, this was really designed to work locally. So it's more about like just your playground, your testing stuff. It's not designed for true production SQLite backups. So keep that in mind too. And then finally, use cases. And it says built for real life scenarios: feature development, quick sandbox, migration testing, team development, performance benchmarking, data reset, and live demos. So those are all the use cases that the people behind this have came up with. I'm sure there's a lot more out there. I do like the idea, especially for like that performance benchmarking and migration testing, because performance benchmarking, you're going to want to have a lot of data in your database, and this way you can make changes to either the structure through migrations or other things. And you can create that snapshot before you make your changes. And that way you can actually just switch between them and see which one's improving, or vice versa. So I think that's a really cool example of what this would be useful for. But of course, all those other ones are also cool. So check this out. It's called Tyro Checkpoint. Link will be in the description below. And we also have a post on it on the Laravel News website. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.